Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. Sorry if that shook in the beginning. Sorry. Every now and then it's like an earthquake. Okay, I am back with an unboxing. This is from a gal by the name of Heather Kell, who I went to her planner workshop in January in Austin and really enjoyed it. She and Marielle did a fantastic job, and I picked up the first kit from her then. So then I was like, oh, these are great kits, and she does a phenomenal job. But I thought, they're just kind of out of my league a little bit price-wise. Because once you buy the kit, then you have to pay for the shipping, and you know how this goes. But doggone her, she did pink and green. And I knew she had told us a little bit that it wasn't going to be just a certain color design. Like the first one was yellow and black. And this one is pink and green, and it's got a little bit of lavender and yellow and peach and all of it in it. So it's floral. That's what it is. So anyways, and I do appreciate her. I follow her on YouTube. She has a great YouTube channel here on, she has a YouTube channel here on YouTube. And so if you get a chance, go by and see her if you're really into planning. And even if you're not, her creativity is fun to watch, the process, and you learn things. That's just what it is. You just learn things as you watch her. So it's really amazing. So, all right, let's take a peek. Ooh, and I just cut it. I haven't undone anything yet. So, is this really going to work? Almost. Almost. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's all tucked in. So, let's untuck it nicely so I can reuse the tissue. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, where do we start? I love it all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the box over here so that I can pull it out individually. But, okay, and I'm going to wipe this down because our post office throws all that on the floor, and we get critters delivered to the post office. When you live in the country, that's what happens. We've literally had our bees delivered to the post office. Yes, we have. We got that 5:30 a.m. call, though. Come get your bees. So, okay. So the first thing I see is all this beautiful washi. And, yeah, that is gorgeous. So, here's that one. They're kind of sheer. Here's a peach one. I have to tell you, I don't know if I've ever had a peach washi. And I'm sorry, that's on, what's the back? Ooh, let's turn this over. Be even better. Hold on. Hold on. You can see it better. Whoops, sorry guys. This is just a silly old Dollar Tree placemat, so nothing fancy here. But it's white, so it might be easier to see. So there's that one. And here's this one. And there's one of my long hair that I'm always shedding. Oh, goodness. Okay, and then here is this one, I think. Yep, there we go. So I love how all of these really go well together. And here we have, bluebonnets, and wildflowers in Texas. So she lives in Texas, and though I think she grew up in what do you call it, Alabama. But she lives in North Texas, so she knows about the bluebonnets and all that good stuff, all the Texas wildflowers. If you haven't seen Texas in, oh goodness, when the wildflowers are blooming, I'm telling you, you got to make it one time. So, alright, so there's all that, and this is just the wrapper, so there's nothing else in that. There is a pin, She Planned a Life She Loved. I knew she was going with that one. I wish I could buy like 6 of these. These are pin holders that you put in your planners. So they literally tape down or adhere, and then you put your pin through the loop. So she gave us 2. I love that. And to go in the planner, in the pin loop, I love this one. It's pink. Oh, I love this one. I am giving the yellow one away. I've never used it, but oh my goodness. I am a pink girl, as you guys know. It's obnoxious. So, I love pink. Here we go. I'll write on the back of that. It's a nice pin. Okay. So, there is that. And of course, she has her logo, Kellofaplan, on there. And then she's got a pink highlighter. She planned a life she loved. Okay, well, let me keep that little pad out here. That's nice. When I go to Bible study, I always highlight in pink and green. I know, it's an illness. What can I say? I love pink and green. She planned a life she loves. So here are the sticky notes. Super cute. And they have a really nice, it's not a thin sticky. It drops down a little bit, and I appreciate that. Okay, so this is her lettering. So let's see what comes in here. And I hope you know that I use all of this, okay? We use the whole buffalo, as I say here. So I even use the backing, you know, the cardstock. We can totally use that. And here are the stickers she loved. She planned a life she loved. All I need are the stickers, sticker books and washi. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Planners and stickers and washi tape and pins and sticky notes. Planner life. Plan, plan, plan. Stressed, blessed, and planner obsessed. Planner vibes. I think that is so stinking cute. So these are see-through, plus you get the washi on the side, the black and white. Ooh, some of the pink flowers. I love that. And the additional washi right there kind of has like a neat floral. Birthday appointment reminder, shopping list, meal prep work, bills, bills, bills. Love that. More washi on the side. And she does have that cut, if you can't see that. And here's a thinner washi with more flowers that were on the cover. And these are really vibrant. So I'm super excited to use those. Oh, the hexagons. So this is on paper. Those were all on sticker. Clear sticker. So look at that one. That is so pretty. So you can see how deep that goes. I love these. I love the hexies. So more of the encouragements. All I need are sticker books and washi. And then she has journaling boxes with those florals and dots around them. How neat is that? More washi right there. Goodness, this is a lot. Oh, look at these will fit in the big. I bet those will fit in the big happy planners. I love those. Cute, and I love these hexies. Oh, super cute. More washi, if you can see that. So, and last but not least, more of these. I love all that. I love the wreaths, and I love the washi. And again, this is on paper. So super, super beautiful. She has done an amazing job, as I figured she would. So, this is what I really am excited about. So, I have over here some of the things that I have purchased from her, like the winter covers for my, when I do my camps. And I've been meaning to trade this out, and I just haven't yet. But I've bought the seasonal covers because I do seasonal camps. But look what she included. I have seen this, and it is amazing. And, oh, gosh, I am not getting this. Sorry, guys. There we go. I couldn't see it. Okay, I'm here. Sorry. Okay. Whew, all that rattling. It was just making me nervous. For y'all, you're probably thinking, just hurry up. So she planned a life she loved. There's more of that print. Here's, these are just discs. And then look at this paper. Important things to remember, paper to write or draw, because this is unlined paper. And I think all of it is exactly the same. So from beginning to end, and look how it just blends with that cover. Isn't that gorgeous? And here's the back, and it says Kellofaplan, which is Heather's business. So let me know if any of you picked up this particular box, and you know, write it in the message below in the comment section, or send me an email. And if you did, tell me how you're using yours. Are you using it for like notes for church, ideas to draw? What are you doing with yours? And yeah, I mean, tell me what you think. Do you think that these are a good way to, you know, shush up your planners? Let me know. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that if you haven't seen Heather, please go by and watch one of her videos. She's just a very nice gal. It was a blessing to meet her, and I know she's a Christian, if that counts for you. And she is one smart cookie. So she's one of those gals that can pick up something, draw a straight line, and cut a straight line. I mean, I can't draw or cut a straight line to save my life. So I'm always amazed when I see somebody who can. But anyways, she's very creative. Very, very creative. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. And like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, hit that notification bell. We are almost to the 1200 mark, which means at 1200 we do a drawing. So we're almost getting there. So guys, invite your friends, invite your family, whoever you need, because as soon as we have that 1200 subscribers, I get to give some goodies away, and I love doing that. So, okay, friends, most importantly, again, have a great day. Thanks for being here. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.